पूरे देश में एवं उसके बाहर यूट्यूब के इस चैनल को देखने वाले 12 के सभी विद्यार्थियों 12 फिजिक्स के सभी विद्यार्थियों का क्वांटम फिजिक्स क्लासेस में स्वागत है। ऑल द students of ISC 12 physics viewing this channel of YouTube are welcomed in quantum physics classes. Today I am going to deal electric dipole, part 7 of the first chapter, electric charges and electric field of electrostatics. First of all, what is electric dipole? Electric means electric charge, dipole means two poles. It is a pair of two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance, which is called an electric dipole. You can write it a pair of two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance. It's called an electric dipole. Its length is usually taken as 12 or 2a. A pair of two equal and opposite charges. One charge is minus q. We can take one charge minus q, another charge plus q, separated by distance 2l, either distance 2l or 2a. This system of two equal and opposite charges form an electric dipole. इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल में दो चार्ज होगा, एक माइनस क्यू और दूसरा प्लस क्यू, और दोनों के बीच का जो लेंथ होगा डाइपोल लेंथ वह 2l या 2a लिया जाता है। इसको आप स्केच कर सकते हैं। A another charge plus q is kept at point B and minus q is kept at point A. The separation between two charges is usually taken as 2l or 2a. I am taking it L, that is 2l or 2a. This form constitutes This pair of two equal and opposite charges constitute an electric dipole. It is an electric dipole. The axis of an electric dipole is taken from minus q to plus q charges. Line joining the charges from minus q to plus q. It is taken as the axis of an electric dipole. Axis of minus q to plus q. Axis of an electric dipole. There are many practical examples of electric dipole. Examples of electric dipoles such as HCl, NaCl, NH3, ammonia, CH4, methane, CO2, H2O, etc. Two types of electric dipoles. There may be two types of electric dipoles, polar dipole and non-polar dipole. I will discuss later on in physical significance of electric dipole and polarization. In polarization in the next chapter, electrostatic potential and capacitance. Dielectric polarization में भी हम देखेंगे और इसमें भी लास्ट में इसमें फिजिकल सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल में भी पोलर एंड नॉन पोलर मॉलिक्यूल्स के बारे में डाइपोल के बारे में हम देखेंगे. These are the examples of electric dipoles. Total charge of an electric dipole is zero, that is plus q and minus q. Total electric charge of an electric dipole is zero, but electric field is not zero. Both charges are separated by some distance. So electric field intensity, if we calculate electric field intensity either on the axial line of electric dipole, which will be discussed later on in this class, just after it, or on the equatorial line, that is perpendicular bisector of the electric dipole, then we will find non-zero value of electric field. However, electric field will nearly equal to approximately equal to zero if length of for a distance r is greater than 2l. For a distance r is greater than 2l, that is length of the electric dipole. So if r is greater than 2l, electric field is nearly equal to zero. But total electric field due to both charges, either on the axial line or on the perpendicular bisector or at the midpoint of the electric dipole, cannot be equal to zero. So total electric charge of an electric dipole is plus q minus q is equal to 0, but electric field due to an electric dipole is not 0. Not 0. It is approximately equal to 0. distance r is greater than 2l. 2l is the length of electric dipole. 2l or 2a. Now a term related to electric dipole. An electric dipole is electric dipole moment. Now write electric dipole moment. Its symbol is P, vector. Electric dipole moment. It is a vector quantity which is directed from along the axis of the dipole, that is from minus q to plus q. The product of magnitude of either charges, magnitude of either charges and dipole length and length of the electric dipole, length of the electric dipole that is 2l is equal to electric dipole moment of an electric dipole it is a vector quantity its symbol is P. P vector. The direction of electric dipole moment is along the axis of the dipole, along the axis of the electric dipole, that is from axis of the dipole is from minus q charge to plus q charge, that is around the line joining the two charges from negative charge to positive charge. It is taken as the axis of an electric dipole. So electric direction of electric dipole moment will also along the axis of the dipole from minus q charge to plus q charge, from minus q to plus q. Its formula P vector equals to product of magnitude of either charges, either magnitude of minus q, which is also equal to q, and magnitude of plus q is also q, that is q multiplied by 2l vector along in the direction from A to B, that is minus q to plus q. Direction of dipole moment is along the axis of the electric dipole, that is plus q, that is from minus q to plus q. A direction of electric dipole moment, minus q to plus q, direction of electric dipole moment. This is the, and length is 2L, that is 2L is the length of the electric dipole, and the 2L vector along direction of 2L vector is from minus q to plus q, along minus q to plus q, that is along the line AB. And mod of P, you can write mod of P vector is equal to q, 2L ka mod of 2L, charge is a scalar, that is q into 2L. 2 is also a scalar, q is a scalar, q into 2L, that is. This is the formula of electric dipole. Q, magnitude of either charge multiplied by the dipole length. Now SI unit of electric dipole, its SI unit of electric dipole is Coulomb is the SI unit of electric field, electric charge, and meter is the SI unit of length. Coulomb meter, Coulomb meter, Coulomb meter, Cm. In symbol, it is written as, it can be written as Cm. C for Coulomb, C stands for Coulomb, and M stands for meter. Dimension formula of electric dipole moment. Dimensional formula of electric dipole moment. चार्ज का AT, लेंथ का L, ATL और ALT. This is the dimension formula of electric dipole moment. Dimension formula of charge is AT, current into time, current का एम्पियर, टाइम का T, और लेंथ का L, ATL और ALT. इसको लिख सकते हैं. Write down this, and now I will solve a simple problem, text problem relating to calculate electric dipole moment and total charge of the electric dipole. It is a problem based on the electric dipole, text problem 1.9 of NCERT book. A system has two charges QA placed at point A 0, 0, -15 सेंटीमीटर, मतलब x कोऑर्डिनेट 0 है, y कोऑर्डिनेट 0 है, और ये -15 c है. इसका मतलब है निगेटिव एक्स एक्सिस के लॉन्ग है ये डिस्टेंस, z कोऑर्डिनेट -15 along negative axis, negative z axis. And other charge QB, which is -2.5 into 10 to the power -7 coulomb, is located at point B, another point B, which is 0, 0 plus 15 cm, that is x coordinate 0, y coordinate 0. It is located at its z coordinate, only there is z coordinate, that is the charge is located along plus z axis. What are the total charge and electric dipole moment of the system? तो जो फार्मूला अभी बताया हमने इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल मोमेंट का, P = Q multiplied by 2L, that formula will be applied in this problem. And total charge of an electric dipole, you know that negative charge, two equal and opposite charges constitute an electric dipole. So total charge of an electric dipole is 0. So now we can write the problem and I am going to solve it. First sketch the diagram. A point minus 15, that is taken along negative z axis. This is the A point whose coordinate are 0, 0, minus 15 cm. Other point is B, 0, 0, plus 15 cm. That is along plus z axis. We can join A and B. This is the center. A plus 15 centimeter हो गया and below the center along negative z axis minus 15 centimeter. ये प्लस z एक्सिस के along हो गया. B पॉइंट ये प्लस z है. x और z तो x और y कोऑर्डिनेट तो 0 है. कोऑर्डिनेट 0, 0, minus 15 that is along minus z axis. And second point, this is A, and this point is B. It is produced upward. B point is produced upward for assign plus z axis, and A point is produced. This line is produced downward for minus z axis. X and y coordinate in both points are 0. That is, x coordinate and y coordinates are 0. So I have not taken x axis and y axis. They are only minus z axis and plus z axis. A point पर जो चार्ज QA, B point पर जो चार्ज है QB. टोटल चार्ज QA given है आपका टोटल चार्ज, टोटल इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज of the dipole of the system or dipole. System means dipole, the system of two equal and opposite charges. System means dipole equals to QA plus QB, that is 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 7. QB is minus 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 second coulomb, that is equal to 0. Total charge of an electric dipole is 0. And electric dipole moment, electric dipole moment of the system, dipole moment of the system. Magnitude of air, we are taking magnitude of P is equal to QA और QB, दोनों सेम है. तो मैग्नीट्यूड एक निगेटिव दूसरा पॉजिटिव है. आइदर QA का मॉड, QB का मॉड, 12 मॉड 2.5 into minus 10 to the power minus 7 multiplied by QA and QB, both are same, but QA is positive and other is negative. Magnitude of both charges are same. So I have taken QA, mod of QA, mod of QB is equal to Q. QA, mod of QA is equal to mod of QB, Q. And 12 यहाँ जो लेंथ है उसमें प्लस 15 15 -15 जीरो नहीं होगा, लेंथ के लिए हमेशा मैग्नीट्यूड लेंगे, +15 और इस -15 का मॉड लेंगे, ये भी -15 +15 हो जाएगा, तो 30 cm। 30 cm मीन्स 0.3 मीटर। 15 cm + 15 cm, that is 0.3. This is coulomb, this is meter. 12 is 15 cm, length of the electric dipole, distance between 2 points, 15 cm + 15 cm. We have to take magnitude of the distance of the dipole length. 30 cm, that is 30 by 100, that is 0.3 meter. This will become 75, 0.75 into 10 to the power -7 coulomb meter cm. You can write it 7.5 into 10 to the power -8 cm, coulomb meter. This is the answer, magnitude of electric dipole moment. -7 पावर -8 कर दिए, 10 से मल्टीप्लाई और 10 से डिवाइड करके ये 7.5. This is the problem. Now we have the next topic is electric field, expression for electric field due to an electric dipole on the axial line or equatorial line of the electric dipole. So what is the axial? First of all we can define axial point or equatorial point. Axial line of an electric dipole axial point on the axial line a point lies along the axis that is from -q to +q on the line joining two charges produced is called axial line or axial point of an electric dipole. It is also called end-on position. It is also called end-on position. End-on position. एक्सियल पॉइंट लाइन को इंडॉन, एक्सियल पॉइंट को इंडॉन पोजीशन भी कहा जाता है। नाउ इक्वेटोरियल लाइन या इक्वेटोरियल पॉइंट dipole of an electric dipole. It is a point lies on the perpendicular bisector of an electric dipole. It's called equatorial point of the electric dipole. It is also called broadside on position of the electric dipole. A point lies on the perpendicular bisector of an electric dipole. Is called equatorial point. And the line passing through the perpendicular line along the perpendicular bisector of the electric dipole is called equatorial line, and any point lies on the equatorial line is called equatorial point of the dipole. It is also known as broadside position, broadside on position. It is also called broadside on position. Of the dipole. This is the definition of axial point or axial line of an electric dipole, and this is the equatorial point on the equatorial line of an electric dipole, which lies on the perpendicular bisector of the electric dipole. And axial point is along the axis of the dipole, that is the line joining the two charges minus q to plus q produced. Any point taken on the line joining along the axis of the electric dipole, when it is produced forward, then that point is called axial point of the electric dipole. Now we have to calculate the expression for electric field intensity due to an electric dipole on the axial line and equatorial line of the electric dipole, one by one. And out of two cases, one case may be asked as a long question in the examination. Only one case will ask as a long question in the examination. So this is important topic for 5 marks question. Long question, that is long question. Now the next topic is expression for electric field at the axial line, that is at the axial point of an electric dipole. This can be asked as a long question in the examination. So you can prepare it. To derive the expression for electric field, we can take a point P which lies on the axial line of an electric dipole, which is taken as AB of length 2L, dipole length is 2L, charges minus q and plus q, and electric dipole moment P at a distance r from its center O. That point P is taken at distance r from center O. Now I am going to sketch the figure. This is the dipole, electric dipole AB, minus q plus q, and axial line is the line produced along the axis of the dipole. This is point P at distance r from the center. This distance is r, axial point is P, calculate electric field intensity at point P, we can suppose an unit charge plus 1 microcoulomb at point P. That is, this point P is called the axial line because it lies on the axis of the electric dipole. Axis is from negative charge to positive charge. Here we can suppose one unit charge 1 microcoulomb here. Now minus Q charge will attract this test charge, unit positive test charge along PA, along itself. This we can take it E1 or E minus, E1 vector or E minus. Minus means minus Q charge, due to minus Q charge. And this plus Q charge placed at point B will repel the unit positive charge. This will E2 or E plus, E vector plus. Symbol of electric field is E, capital E. This is E1 due to electric field intensity at point P, that is on the axial line, due to charge minus Q placed at point A. And the other charge of plus Q of the electric dipole is kept at point B. This charge plus Q charge will repel plus 1 microcoulomb away from the charge plus Q, that is along BP. This distance is L. 2L is the length of the electric dipole. This distance is also L. Distance of point P from A is R plus L or L plus R, and distance of point P from B is R minus L. R from O to P and O to B is L, R minus L. Now you know the formula for electric field intensity at a point due to a point charge Q is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon R square. Now I am using that formula. We can use that formula in this case. This is figure 1. You can sketch it. Now electric field at point P, axial point, electric field at axial point P due to charge minus Q at point A of the electric dipole. Electric dipole is EA vector, E1 vector or EA vector or E vector plus E vector minus. At point A, minus Q charge lies. Minus Q or simply minus. We can write E1 vector or E minus. E minus for charge minus Q. Or we can write it is a vector, it having magnitude and direction both. Mod of E1, we can write mod of E1 into P cap or mod of E1 vector or I cap into I cap. Magnitude and direction. Magnitude of electric field intensity E1 mod. A P cap is the unit vector along the axis of the from minus Q to plus Q of the electric dipole. Or I cap is the axis of I cap is the unit vector along x axis, positive x axis. So we can take either P cap or I cap. I will take here P cap, where P cap is the unit vector along the axis of the dipole that is from minus q to plus q, or I cap is the unit of vector along positive x-axis. The direction of p cap is along positive x-axis, so we can also take I cap in place of p cap. But here mod of E1, that is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught minus q upon AP square p cap by using the formula of electric field at a point due to a point charge. Here point charge is minus q and electric field intensity at the actual point P at distance AP. Distance AP is L plus R or R plus L. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. E1 vector is the electric field intensity at point P due to point charge minus q of the electric dipole at distance L plus R from the point charge. And this equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q upon L plus R or R plus L, distance AP. Distance of the axial point P from point charge is AP, that is this distance is L and this distance is R, a small r, from the center O of the electric dipole. That is total distance AP is L plus R plus L square whole square P cap. P cap is the unit vector along the axis of the dipole, that is from minus q to plus q. That is along the direction of P vector. That is along the direction of electric dipole moment vector. Direction of electric dipole moment vector is from minus q charge to plus q charge, and along the axis of the dipole unit vector is P cap. This is equation first, that is E1 or E1 vector is, this is equation 1. Similarly, we can write electric field intensity at the axial point P due to charge plus q placed at point B of the electric dipole, which is given by E2 vector equals to mod of E2 minus P cap. Sorry, here P cap and here it is minus P cap or minus I cap. This is minus the second root, or E2 vector I cap. Because direction of P2 vector is along the axis of the dipole, that is along the axis of the dipole, and direction of P1 is opposite to the axis of the dipole, so it is taken as minus P. E2 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q upon BP square mod H P cap, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon BP distance is R OP minus OP, that is R minus L square P cap. P cap is the unit vector along the direction of electric dipole moment vector, that is from minus Q to plus Q. Here minus P is taken because direction of E1 vector, that is electric field due to point charge minus Q at point P, is opposite to the electric dipole moment vector. So it is taken as minus, direction of E1 is taken as minus I cap, that is opposite to the x-axis, or opposite to the direction of electric dipole moment, or unit vector along the axis of the dipole, opposite to the unit vector along the axis of dipole. So it is minus, it is taken as minus P. This is 2. Okay. This distance BP is OP minus OP, that is R minus L square. Hence total electric field at the axial point P, is E vector or E2 vector, or that is, or E2, E in place of E2 we can write E vector plus for stands for charge plus Q, which is placed at point P. We can write here E plus or here E minus in first case, in first equation, due to minus Q or stand for minus Q charge, which is placed at point A of the electric dipole. E2 or E plus is E vector, total electric field at point P, E vector is equal to E1 vector or E plus or E minus plus E2 vector or E plus, and E1 is here minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R plus L square P cap minus plus 1 by E2 is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon R minus L square P cap, and this equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is taken out of the bracket. 1 by 4 pi epsilon, P cap is also common, Q is also common. Q, this term is taken first, plus positive term 1 minus R by L square, this first term becomes negative 1 by R plus L square, and P cap is also taken out of the bracket. Now we can take LCM of these two terms. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q R minus L square into R plus L square, LCM of these two terms. Now it becomes R minus L square, 1 plus R plus L square multiplied by 1, that is R plus L square in the first term of numerator minus R plus L square cancel out after dividing it, then r minus L square multiplied by 1, that is r minus L square p cap, and this equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q a प्लस बी का होल स्क्वायर, यहाँ a माइनस बी का होल स्क्वायर फॉर्म में है, आर स्क्वायर प्लस 2rl प्लस एल स्क्वायर माइनस आर स्क्वायर minus 2rl minus outside the bracket, so it is plus 2rl plus L square, but minus sign is outside the bracket, so plus minus minus L square upon a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square पूरा whole square, r square minus L square whole square plus r square minus r square will cancel out, plus L square minus L square will cancel out. So we have 1 by into p cap, which gives the direction of the electric field. 4 pi epsilon naught q. Only left with 2rl plus 2rl, that is 4rl upon r square minus L square whole square. Now we can write it as 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into q into 2l multiplied by 2r upon r square minus L square whole square, and q into 2l is the electric dipole moment, which is P. It is a vector quantity, but magnitude of electric dipole moment is P. This is P 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P into 2r upon r square minus L square whole square P cap, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 2r P upon r square minus L square whole square P cap. This is the required expression where q into 2l is equal to P, magnitude of electric dipole moment, magnitude of electric dipole moment of the electric dipole moment of the electric dipole moment. So this is the final expression. Therefore E vector, or we can write it as E axial, Ex for the axial point. X stands for the axial point. We can write it net electric field, total electric field due to electric dipole, or total electric field for the axial point due to dipole. So we can also write, we can write it also E vector axial is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2rp upon r square minus L square P cap. This is the required expression. This is the required expression for electric field intensity at the axial point of the electric dipole. Expression for electric field intensity at the axial point or axial line of the electric dipole. This is the required expression. This is the required expression. Direction of E is along P vector, that is along the axis of the dipole. Direction of E vector is along the axis of the electric dipole or along the plus x-axis. Dipole that is along p vector, that is along p cap, or along plus x-axis. In a special case, if r is too much greater than L square, then this equation will reduce to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught upon P upon RQ. That is, electric field decreases false size 1 by RQ rather than 1 by R square. So, as we can take a special case for a very short electric dipole. Now we can take a special case if R is too much greater than R, L. Equation 3 reduces to total electric field E vector or E axial one upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p upon RQ p cap. By neglecting R square, L square in comparison to, after neglecting L square in comparison to R square. The term in the denominator, the term of L square in the denominator will be neglected in comparison to R square. So, 2rp upon R4 and R will cancel out, R of R4 will cancel out. So, we will left with RQ in the denominator. This is the equation 4. This is the special case after neglecting L square in comparison to R square in equation 3. We get this result, which is the final result, and this shows that the electric field intensity at the axial point of an electric dipole falls as 1 by RQ rather than 1 by R square in the case of a point charge. Hence, it is clear that electric field due to an electric dipole falls off size 1 by RQ, it is inversely proportional to RQ, not as 1 by R square in the case of a point charge, electric field at a point due to a point charge. At distances R is greater than 2L, not L, 2L, this electric field will nearly vanish. The electric field due to dipole due to the electric dipole, will nearly vanish, will nearly cancel out, will nearly become zero, cancel out. This is the, but this for distance r is much greater than, too much greater than 2l, not greater than l, not greater than this not r too much greater than, for r too much greater than l, the expression is electric field falls as 1 by r cube. But for r is too much greater than 2l, the electric field due to both charges of the dipole will nearly cancel out. That means it becomes zero. स्टार्ट में भी हमने पहले बताया था कि फॉर ए डिस्टेंस आर इज ग्रेटर देन, टू मच ग्रेटर देन 2l, और ग्रेटर देन 2l, टू मच ग्रेटर देन 2l, द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड becomes zero. But electric field for the distance smaller than 2l, it is not zero, but the total charge of the electric field becomes zero. So this ends this topic, and now the further part, second part of electric dipole, I will discuss the electric field intensity at a point due to an electric dipole at the equatorial points, at its equatorial point or broadside position of the electric dipole, and torque acting on electric dipole when it is placed in a uniform magnetic field. Two topics are left in this topic, electric dipole. So I will discuss it remaining part in next part, that is part 8 of electric dipole, second part.